Hello, welcome to the Travel Peluso channel. Today I'm in Phuket, Thailand. I'm going to be showing you my room tour. I'm staying in Amari Phuket. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and this is the sink. We've used it, so it's a little bit dirty. There's a simple toilet, a shower, and then there's a blind there, which I find a bit strange that you can look in, but I guess you can connect with the person that you're staying with. So that's just the bathroom, and then to my left is like the wardrobe, which is just a few of my stuff there. And then there's a mini fridge here. You can see there's quite a lot of stuff in there. There's actually really nice stuff in there. And then carpet tools, all that basic stuff. And then this is the bed area. Sorry, it's a bit messy. And then TV. This is very, very nice. It's quite a nice room. And then this is my favourite part, is the balcony. Yeah, that's the next one, the mosquito. Is it right? Is it this way? Yeah. And I'm going to end my room tour on the lovely balcony looking at the sea and the palm trees. Hope you enjoyed this video.